Okay,
Open it.
Claire is gonna show us how to make Angry Bird. This is egg surprise.
Mikey, open
Hey, hey, hey! I am recording a video.
Mikey, help me.
Okay, I'll help you. Okay, here are all the parts of the Angry Bird. Claire is gonna put them together.
Miss Mom, Miss Daddy. This way, Daddy.
Oh, Claire does not know how to put them together. Okay, so look at this. This is the Angry Bird parts. I think you have to follow instructions, Claire. You have to read the instructions. Okay?
This one.
Yes. This is Angry Bird Egg Surprise. Look at all these small parts.
Okay. I'll open the nut.
Oh, okay. Claire right now is gonna open another one. Okay. Alright. Claire has put the Angry Bird together. This is the final product. Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
You did it! Good job, Claire. You put the Angry Bird together by yourself. Okay, Okay. There's another Angry Bird. That's a blue one. Now Claire is gonna put them together again. All the pieces. Claire, say cheese.
Cheese.
You're gonna do it, right? You're gonna do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Alright, this is the instructions. You better read the instruction first. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let this go.
Okay, now Claire is gonna put the Angry Bird blue one together. See? Claire also put the blue one together. We have the red and the blue one. Thank you, Claire.